I'm going to give you a close-up look at these Hallmark Holiday Ice Skate cards. There are 40 cards and 40 envelopes. The dimensions are 7 by 5 inches. They have a glittery finish on the front and there's nothing on the back. The message is the same in each card, wishing you a little wonder in each moment and a lot of warmth and joy all through your holidays. On the front of the card, in cursive, it says, "All is calm and all is bright." I hope this helps and you have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.